cuboid. Okay, first figure is cuboid. Shape of the cuboid. That is the length of the cuboid, that is the breadth, and that is the height of the cuboid. Cuboid objects. There are so many cuboid type objects. Okay, that is also in the shape of a cuboid. Okay, that is the length. Okay, your notebook is also in the shape of a cuboid. Also shape of a cuboid. That is the length of the cuboid. That is the breadth. That is the height of the cuboid. Height of the cuboid. Okay. Now how many faces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces are there. Okay. Each face has a rectangular surface. Now area of the rectangular surface, that is the length into breadth. Okay. If we will find the area of this part, that is the length into breadth. And there is also length into breadth. It means there are area of two surface, 2 length into breadth. Means 2 length into breadth plus area of this breadth into height. Two faces having area breadth into height. So we will include here 2 breadth into height, and 2 are height into length. Two faces having area height into length. It means 2 height into length. Now we will take 2 common. What is remaining? Length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. That is the total surface area of the cuboid. Okay. If we discuss about the larger surface area, in a larger surface area we will reduce top reduce, and also bottom is also reduced. It means area of the 4 walls. If we assume that this room is in a shape of cuboid, if we reduce the ceiling and the floor, and we will take the area of 4 walls. Okay. Now area of the 4 walls, the area of 4 walls. Area of this wall, that is the length into height. Opposite walls having same area, length into height. It means 2 length into height, and 2 walls having breadth into height. 2 walls having breadth into height. Now 2x common, length plus breadth. That is the radius surface area of the cuboid. Okay. Next we will discuss volume. How to find the volume. अगर हम इसमें पानी या कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट, ओके, दूध वगैरह डालना शुरू करें, तो कितना फैलेगा, कितना इसका बेस होगा? बेस क्या है? लेंथ इनटू ब्रेड्थ. बेस लेंथ इनटू, और ऊपर को कहाँ तक आएगा? हाइट. जितनी इसकी हाइट है. इसके बाद क्या होगा? बाहर आ जाएगा. ओके. इट मींस इसका वॉल्यूम क्या होगा? लेंथ इनटू ब्रेड्थ इनटू हाइट. लेंथ इनटू ब्रेड्थ इनटू हाइट. दैट इज द वॉल्यूम. ओके. वॉल्यूम ऑफ आफ्टर दैट diagonal meaning a line joining one corner to another corner. ओके. अगर हम कहें तो आपने एक रूम में सबसे लॉन्गेस्ट रोड रखनी है, तो कैसे रखोगे आप? इसके डायगोनल ही रखे जाएंगे, उस कॉर्नर से उस कॉर्नर. क्लियर? इट मींस हाउ टू फाइंड दैट इज द डायगोनल इज इक्वल टू अंडररूट एल स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस एच. क्लियर? ओके. आफ्टर दैट वी विल डिस्कस क्यूब. There is what is difference between cube and cuboid? In a cube, all dimensions are equal. In each side is a A. Okay, clear? In a cuboid there are different dimensions. Okay, so how to find the total surface area? We will assume that is length is also A, breadth is also A. Okay, length square plus a square, that is equal to 2 into 3 ab square, that is 6 ab square, that is the total surface area of a cuboid. और later surface area 2a a plus a, that is the 2a into 2a, that is equal to 4ab square. Okay, similarly a into a into a ab cube, and diagonal, that is a square plus a square plus a square, that is equal to root 3 ab square. A is the outside, that is the okay. After that, next figure, next is the shape of a cylinder. Cylinder is also in a shape, first of all, that is the in a shape of a rectangle. Okay, if I will fold in a shape of cylinder, then that is the length of the cylinder and that is the breadth of. Okay, length of the rectangle, breadth of the rectangle, length into breadth क्या बनेगी? length into breadth, एरिया. अगर हम इसको फोल्ड कर दें तो एरिया तो सेम रहेगा, मगर जो इसकी लेंथ थी वो क्या चेंज होगी? इन अ सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ द सर्कल 2 पाई r. ओके, एंड इसकी जो लेंथ थी वो हाइट में चेंज होगी. इट मींस टोटल कर्व सरफेस एरिया क्या बन जाएगा? 2 पाई r into h, 2 pi r into h. Bigger is the cylinder. Okay, bigger is the cylinder. That is the height, that is equal to radius. Cylinder. Now to find the total surface area, we will include two area of two circles, top and bottom. Okay, 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square means the area of two circles. One circle area pi r square, 2 pi r square. So we will take common 2 pi r common, h plus r. क्लियर बेटा? अब इसका वॉल्यूम, अब इसके वॉल्यूम में जब हम इसमें डालना शुरू करेंगे तो कितना फैलेगा नीचे? जितना इसका बेस है और तो हाइट. बेस क्या है इसका? बेस है एरिया ऑफ सर्कल, पाई r square h. ओके, इसमें का तो डायगोनल होगा और 9 स्लैंट है. क्लियर बेटा? नेक्स्ट फिगर कोण, that is the right circular cone. That is the RH, that is the slant height. Okay, now curved surface area, that is equal to pi r l of a cone. Okay, conical shape, pi r l. And if we include upper part, कोन में जो ऊपर का पार्ट होता है उसमें सर्कल. ओके, इंक्लूड एरिया पाई r l plus pi r square, that is equal to pi r common l plus r, that is equal to total surface area of cone. And this is क्या बोले? How to find the volume of a cone? To find the volume of cone, that is the 1/3 of the cylinder. 1/3 of the cylinder. अगर आपके पास सेम जो है सेम रेडियस और सेम हाइट वाले एक सिलेंडर हो और एक कोन, तो आप कोन को जब ना सिलेंडर किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट के साथ सिलेंडर में फिल करोगे 3 टाइम्स पे वो क्या हो जाएगा? फिल हो जाएगा. इट मींस इसका एरिया क्या बन जाएगा? 1/3 पाई r square h. तो इसका वॉल्यूम है 1. ओके, टू फाइंड स्लैंट हाइट वी यूज पाइथागोरियन लाइन स्क्वायर प्लस r square. क्लियर? Okay.